Okay, Assalamu alaikum. And Bitcoin is in a place where it's going to be really, really interesting to see where it's going to move from this point onwards. And right now, this is the real test, and we are going to see how the test is going to break. So at this point of time, you got this resistance here, resistance going on. And then again, this one actually takes you all the way to the February. Okay, so the junction comes in at February. And by February, you're going to know what is going to happen with Bitcoin. So at the moment, the technical target that I've been giving you for a long time when we're down here has been met. And 8 more days to even close the private. And by the way, on the Discord, we've actually taken this trade a long time ago, 4 of October. And today is 22 or 23 of October, actually 23. And we already met the technical target. So now, it may make sense that Bitcoin comes up a little bit, take that stop loss, because I do think that a lot of people may have their stop loss here. Take it out and then finally maybe potentially drop down again, or just break above and start to move to the upside. One of the biggest reason that I may think that Bitcoin may start to break above and go up like this is Chainlink. Okay, so Chainlink has made a name for itself yesterday because Chainlink has broken above 1.5 year resistance, and it has broken above it, like literally just break above it, and that's so good to see. And based on my past observation and experience, I've seen that whenever Chainlink breaks above that resistance like that one, then it starts to really push upside, and that's when a potential bull run can even happen. You may see Ethereum start to pump, altcoin may start to go crazy. But the dominance for Bitcoin still doesn't actually show that it's altcoin time season anytime soon. But anyways, we're going to see. At this point, Bitcoin has its own technical target. One is met right over there. I do believe you may still take that stop right over there. And, it's not a good idea to trade Bitcoin right now, especially after this pump to the upside. That's exactly where people get very, very bullish, right at the resistance level. So this is a resistance. Do not get, trapped in for the resistance at the moment. So you might just go to the downside, climb up like this, and then we're going to see what happens until February. So that's it. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.